Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode with me, the Vaccinator. This morning we are here for the Outcast Bass Comp. It's the leg 2 of the season, and so far it's a good turnout. We've got, I think, just shy of 40 anglers, and yeah, I think it's going to be a good comp. So let's see how this comp goes, boys and girls, and I will see you on the water. Peace. So guys, I'm on the water now. I'm on dam 2, and there's about 4 or 5 of us on the dam 2. The rest of the guys are on dam 1, and a couple of them on the small dams. Yeah, nice and calm, not much wind, actually no wind. So I'm throwing around the frog around these little open pockets in the grass, see if I can pick up anything with the frog in the morning. And yeah, let's just see how the morning goes and see if we can pick up any big fish for you guys to see. Cool, man. So guys, yeah, I had one of the worst comps I've had in quite a few seasons. I only caught one fish. Well, I lie, I actually caught a few small fish in the morning, but I threw them back because I thought that I was going to catch bigger ones, knowing that dam and the previous catches, and I saw my ass.
Okay.
So I only had the one fish of 200 and something. So I got the smallest fish of the day, or I got the smallest bag of the day. Put it that way. I don't think I got the smallest fish, but yeah, it is what it is. What can I do? Congratulations to the rest of the guys and Etienne for taking it. Well fished. And yeah, thanks to all the sponsors that sponsored the Outcast Club. If it wasn't for them, you know, we wouldn't have all those awesome prizes and gifts and money. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. and hit that notification bell at the bottom of the screen there. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one, and it will be a better one. Anything's better than today, I guess. Anyways, peace.